Welcome back to KK Autos. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, a vehicle that pushes the limits of imagination and takes the concept of luxury motorhomes into uncharted territory. This is the Ferrari Motorhome 2026, a bold creation that blends Ferrari's world-renowned passion for performance with the comfort and innovation of a luxury home on wheels. Yes, Ferrari has stunned the automotive world by venturing into the motorhome segment, and the result is something that will leave car enthusiasts and travelers in absolute awe. At first glance, the exterior tells you everything you need to know. This isn't your typical bulky motorhome. It's a sleek masterpiece sculpted with the same aerodynamic language Ferrari uses in its supercars. The front end is aggressive, with sharp LED matrix headlights, a low-slung nose, and a wide grille that channels airflow with efficiency. Along the sides, you'll notice fluid, sculpted panels that reduce drag while giving the motorhome an unmistakably sporty presence. The roofline has been carefully engineered, not just for style, but to improve airflow at high speeds. Massive alloy wheels, red brake calipers, and signature Ferrari accents complete the look, ensuring that this motorhome doesn't just stand out. It dominates every road it drives on. Step inside, and the interior is unlike anything ever seen in a motorhome. Ferrari has managed to bring the DNA of their supercars into a living space. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a steering wheel and digital display that look like they belong in a Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Carbon fiber accents, premium leather upholstery, and Alcantara details are everywhere, showcasing Ferrari's commitment to craftsmanship. But what really takes this to another level is how seamlessly performance-inspired design has been blended with luxury living. The living space is designed with exclusivity in mind. There's a spacious lounge area with handcrafted Italian leather seating that doubles as a dining space, complete with a retractable carbon fiber table. The motorhome features a state-of-the-art kitchenette equipped with an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and integrated wine coolers, because Ferrari knows its clientele demands nothing less. Hidden storage solutions ensure the interior remains clean and uncluttered, staying true to Ferrari's minimalist yet high-tech design language. When it's time to rest, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 doesn't disappoint. A queen-size bed with memory foam mattresses and premium bedding ensures absolute comfort. The motorhome also features a spa-like bathroom with rainfall showers, marble finishes, and intelligent climate controls. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin creates different moods, from a calm evening glow to a vibrant racing-inspired red. Technology is fully integrated as well, with touch-sensitive controls, AI-powered assistance, and a central smart hub that allows you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment with just your voice. Performance is where Ferrari sets itself apart from every other motorhome on the market. While most motorhomes are built for slow and steady cruising, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is designed for thrill seekers who want speed with their luxury. It's powered by a hybrid V8 engine paired with electric motors, producing over 800 horsepower. This allows the motorhome to accelerate faster than many sports cars, with a 0 to 60 time of under 5 seconds, a number unheard of in the motorhome world. Despite its size, adaptive suspension and advanced aerodynamics ensure stability and control at high speeds, making long drives not only comfortable but exhilarating. The hybrid system also makes this motorhome more efficient, with extended electric-only driving modes for city trips or eco-conscious travelers. Ferrari has also equipped it with advanced regenerative braking, energy management systems, and solar panel integration on the roof, allowing you to camp off-grid without worrying about power shortages. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Ferrari Motorhome 2026 comes with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities for long highway stretches. The chassis has been reinforced with lightweight carbon composites, making the vehicle both safer and more agile than traditional motorhomes. Now let's talk about price, because a Ferrari creation was never going to be cheap. The Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is expected to start at around $2.5 million, making it one of the most expensive motorhomes in the world. But when you consider what it offers, the performance of a Ferrari supercar, the luxury of a high-end yacht, and the practicality of a motorhome, it begins to make sense. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a lifestyle, and a symbol of ultimate exclusivity. Only a limited number will be produced, ensuring that ownership is as rare as the vehicle itself. In conclusion, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is more than just a groundbreaking innovation. It's a fusion of two worlds that were never meant to meet: the adrenaline-fueled world of supercars and the relaxed, adventurous lifestyle of motorhome travel. With its breathtaking design,